Everybody's happy, eating right now. Party and Billy. And oh gee, look how sweet he's waiting for me to go to the next feeder box. Hello, darling. You are so beautiful and patient, my love. Hey, Scout. Miss Beauties. Can you see her eating in there? She's so cute. Hey, Scout. Okay, we gotta go. That's our precious girl. Isn't she sweet? And here's Midge. She's having her bath. Stuck. Precious. Hi, Precious. Oh, honey, you're so cute. And there's Dana, who takes care of those girls. You do a great job, buddy. You do. And there's Gina. It's Gina. And her dad. And her friend Kate. Yeah? That's precious. She's so sweet. Oh, Midgie. You're so dear. Look at that face. Those are awesome. There's Scoutland. Ruby and Lucy. Hi, you guys. I know. I hear you. Grace. Hello, my patient ones. This is Beastie. She's waiting for me to load the box with the bowls. You are so precious, my love. You're adorable. Isn't she, dear? That's Beauty's sister. I love you, honey. I'm working on it.